The new BMW X2, the cargo capacity half that of the X1, but the driving dynamics very BMW.
The X2 is classed as a subcompact crossover, going directly up against the Mercedes-Benz GLA class and the Audi Q2. It offers a buyer a cross between a hatchback and the versatility of a European station wagon, but with more compact dimensions than normally we would see in America. It's lower to the ground than its BMW big brother, the X1, and almost 3.5 inches shorter, but it has the same wheelbase, which gives it those short overhangs at the front and the back, and that makes it look a lot more sporty. It actually shares the same platform as some mini models, which BMW also owns. It has a little less cargo space than the X1, but it's easier to park. It has a smaller footprint, and it's much kinder to the environment. One of the most stunning things about the new BMW X2 is BMW's bright color selection. Unlike Audi, who seem to have 50 shades of grey, BMW is going in-your-face bright interiors and exterior colors.
So I'm not sure about this orange color on the inside. I think it might clash with my eyes.
BMW are only going to make one model available in the X2. A 2-litre, 228 horsepower, inline 4-cylinder engine will sit under the hood, but it'll have all-wheel drive through a very sporty, smooth 8-speed automatic transmission, which is quite quick, 0 to 60 mile an hour time of just 6.3 seconds, according to BMW experts. BMW are expected to launch a 2-wheel drive version of the X2 down the road, and possibly even an M version. One of the things that have made the BMW Group the largest luxury manufacturer in the world is the power of being able to choose between multiple different models.
The brand new BMW X2 with a starting price of $38,400. I'm Nick Miles.